Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shushmita, and by the title of the video, I guess you have already got the idea what we're gonna do in today's video. Yes, I'm going to create a makeup look that is for Valentine, and the look I have already created over here you can see, and this look is very effortless and it gonna look super classic, and you can take this look off on the day and the night also whenever you want. And if you are interested watching this video, keep on watching this video. And before that, if you are seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload a new video you can get the notification of it. And without any further ado, let's just begin the video. Okay, so now we're gonna start with a face serum, and the face serum which I'm going to use is from Mama Earth Skin Illuminate Face Serum, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to take it a few. It's not runny, it's like a cream in consistency, absorbed in your skin really well, so it's quite a good serum which you can get if you want to. And I'm using this to make my skin a little healthy and illuminating. So if you want, you can use any serum, or if you don't have any serum, no worry, you can go ahead with your moisturizer directly. As my serum has absorbed in my skin, now I'll move to the next step in my skincare, that will be a moisturizer. And the moisturizer which I'm going to use today is from Rick Quill Oil Free Moisturizer, and it's really a good moisturizer for oily skin people or any kind of skin people except the dry one. And I'm taking little amount of it and I'm just applying it. Make sure you use a moisturizer which is hydrating and makes your skin looks plump and healthy. And now, as I'm done with the moisturizer, the final step will be using a sunscreen, and the sunscreen which I'm going to use is from this Rick Quill Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel, and this sunscreen is my favorite. I cannot rave about this, you guys. It has a very velvety touch and makes your skin super matte. That's the best thing. And it's gonna keep your skin matte all day long, and it will help your makeup to stay more longer. Now I'll just apply this Vaseline on my lips so that जब हम लोग lip पे आएंगे तब तक हमारा lips moisturized रहेगा and थोड़ी plump रहेगी. Now as we are done with skincare, we'll move to the makeup, and the first thing which we're gonna use is a primer. And the primer which I'm going to use is this primer from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Made Primer. This is a good primer, but if you have a large open pores, then this will not be a good option for you because it doesn't do anything for your pores. It doesn't blur out your pores or minimizes it. It does nothing. So if you're just looking for a primer which will just help in protecting your skin from the makeup and makes your makeup stay more longer, then you can go ahead and buy this one. But if you're looking for a primer which will help in minimizing your pores or blurs your pores, then this is not the primer which you should get one. And the foundation which I'm going to use today is this from My Glam Treat Love Care. This foundation is such an amazing foundation. It gives you full coverage, but unlike other foundations which gives you full coverage, turns out little cakey. It's hard to go with them, but this foundation is literally in running consistency and get blended in your skin so well and gives you a full coverage. It does not gonna look like you have applied a foundation or something, so that's why I'm going with this foundation today, because I want a full coverage but does not want something that I have put it so many layers of makeup, and that's why. And I'm just blending this foundation. It's so easy to blend this foundation. I'm really happy with the formulation of this foundation. It's totally runny in consistency and gives you an amazing finishing with a full coverage. So now, as with the foundation, I have gotten the amount of coverage I want, so I'll not go with the concealer all over my face. I'm just going over my lids to use the concealer to highlight that area. And the concealer which I'm going to use is from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Light 10. So I'll use very little, because the more product you will use and it gonna end up looking cakey. So use as much as less product you can. So now I'm just going to blend this concealer, and now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I'm just going to fill my brows. I'm not going to make it bushy, I'm just going to do a little bit of filling in the gaps. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, because this is something which I guess every girl has, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going with this pink shade, I guess you can see, very little. It's literally very pigmented. And now I'm going to use this lightest purple shade from this palette. We're gonna keep very minimum. And now we're gonna use this Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara. It's a waterproof. This mascara is really very good, but the only hassle is that when you're gonna take this mascara off, it's so hard to take this mascara off. Now I'll use this contour palette from Wet n Wild, and I'll use the contour side just to give little effect. You're not going to do harsh contouring, just a little. And now I'm going to use this Hotspot illuminating liquid from MyGlam, and I'm in the shade Sun Kissed. It's really amazing illuminator, and it kind of give you a sun-kissed bronze kind of look, so you can use this as a bronzer. And I'm going to use this one as a highlighter also today. Now I'll just blend this. And this illuminator will give you enough glow which you want on your face, and it's gonna look so supple and natural. So that's why we're gonna skip using highlighter today, and I'm just going to go with this. It's an amazing illuminator. Since we have used this illuminator as a bronzer and highlighter both, so I'm going to use this lipstick as a blush, because it's also in that shade only, and it will give us a natural blush kind of effect. So that's why I'm skipping using any red, pink or any other sort of blush. So I'll just take it like this, and whenever you are going to apply blush, I'll prefer use your beauty blender, because with beauty blender you get control on like how much of blush you want on your face. So if you have by mistakenly taken lots of blush, you can like minimize that effect with a beauty blender, because it gonna soak up the excess product and will give you the exact amount of blush you want. And see, it looks so natural. And now I'm going to use this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm in the shade Rose Gold Molten, and I'm just going to take this highlighter little bit and gonna put it in the corner of my eyes, just to bring it in little light, and that's it. now I use lipstick. Both are from My Glam. One is K-Play flavored lipstick and another is Lit Liquid matte lipstick. And the Clay Play is, I'm in the shade Cherry Burst. I hope you can see, this is how it looks. And this is, I'm in the shade Micro GT. First I'm going to use this K-Play Cherry Burst. It's literally a dark maroon, you can say. Since it's little too dark, so we're gonna use this one as to minimize this color. And basically, if you don't want to go ahead with such bold color, you can go ahead with any nude lipstick. And now as we are done with the lipstick, and to set everything in the place, I'm going to use setting spray from the Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to explore this all over my face. We use makeup setting spray to set everything down, and makeup spray helps melting every layer of yours together, and it's gonna look like your own skin, and it also helps in making your makeup stay longer. So that's why you should use a setting spray. If you don't have, you can use a face mist. That's also gonna do the same job and gonna keep your face hydrated also. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.